Hey, who wants warm, fresh, homemade cookies tonight? Everybody does, but who wants the hassle of making them when you don't have the right equipment? First is the pouring method. That never works, and then you have to find something to level it with. Not very accurate. Well, how about the scoop in the bag method? That always seems to make quite the mess. Look at that. Is there a better answer? Yes, there is. The baking ingredient measuring dispenser. How does it work? Just pour on the shelf and the pre-measured dispenser pours it right into the bowl. Need a half a cup? Pull it out. Need a cup? Just pull it out. It's that easy. It all starts with brainstorming. We put together a list of viable options and try to figure out which one's going to work the best. Through research, we take our options that we had originally come up with and narrow them down. Once that's complete, we move to the prototype phase.
We created a prototype. We calculated the volume for the cylinders so that we could get exactly half a cup. Later on, we're going to add multiple layers for different volumes. After a successful prototype, we decide to start working on the final build. The final build is going to consist of multiple layers of the prototype section. After drilling some holes in the base and a few cuts on the table saw, we calculate the volume using 6th grade math in order to get the exact half a cup per every single use. After assembling most of the beginning, we need to add walls, a back, and a top, and that will be it. After assembling the walls and completing the final layers, the build is just about done. After filling up the build with some flour, we are ready to go. You need a half a cup, pull it out. You need a third of a cup, pull it out. You need a full cup, pull it out, all perfectly measured.
You may be asking, does this meet the American Baking Institute for required materials for baking? Absolutely not. How do we handle it? It's like an M&M that's too big. We don't talk about it in the video. You may ask, hey, did you build this whole thing with just a hacksaw, glue gun, and popsicle sticks? No way. We used every single tool we had at least 5 times in a med kit.
At least 3 times.
Okay, who's ready for the hot warm cookie now? Hey, who ordered extra walnuts?
Special thanks to my sister Erin.